So today we'll be looking at recording audio and basic warping in the session view. We'll use the drum rack from the last session. First we're going to check our I/O settings, and we can do this by pressing Command and comma. So if we just go into the audio tab here on the left and check our input and output devices, if you have an external interface, it will come up in this drop down menu here. We'll be using built-in microphone today, so if you're using your built-in, just make sure that's selected in this area here. We'll also change the sample rate, or the buffer size, sorry, to 128 samples, just to avoid any latency. And we'll go to our audio track, and down here we'll see our I/O section. If you don't want to see this section, you can come over to the right and click this little I/O button here, and that will remove that. So in the input, we've got extension in highlighted here because we are getting a source from outside of the box. The correct input will automatically always be highlighted anyway here, or should be. And in our output section, it should always be the master. If you're using a built-in microphone, just leave the monitor off. And if you're using an external microphone, select the auto monitor. So we'll leave ours off. And then we can push record enable. We've armed the drum rack and we can start to record. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see the waveform down here that's been recorded. So we can just play back that. Just turn the record enable off. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can trim the clip by hovering over in the start of the section and using the handlebar cursor to move in. And at the end of the track we can also do the same. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay. So warping is the process of being able to move audio around and make it sit wherever you'd like it to be in your session. You can do this by creating new markers by double clicking in the grey area here, and if we just drag that across, you can see that start to move. It basically stretches like a rubber band. So let's see what that sounds like. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we can basically just move that anywhere we like. Two, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. as you can see, the more markers you add, the more sections or areas that you can stretch. So if you feel like it's not really, in rhythm or the right groove that you want, you can right click and go to the quantize settings and choose which increments of time you'd like to move it to. So we'll go to 1/16 at 100%. So this you can change depending on how accurate you want it to snap to the grid. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1. And then if you right click and you can crop the sample, and then that will just show the section that we're working on. And that's it. Thank you.